First, you're going to want to disconnect the battery because you have to disconnect the airbag, which has two T30 screws, one here and one on the opposite side. For the airbag connection, there is a cover underneath the steering wheel. You can pop that off, pull the black tab, and pull out the connection. So you get those out, pull this off, disconnect the power and the horn. Then you have the horn here, which will slide out, and then the bracket connection for your buttons right there. Push, pull. You have 6 screws to take out, and then 2 in the front here and there, 6 on the back. It's going to be here, here, and there. Same thing on the opposite side. In order to get the middle screws, turn your steering wheel 90 degrees, and that'll give you better clearance from the back to get the screws out. Pull it out. You have 2 to hold in each bracket of the buttons. Take those out, replace your buttons, and then reassemble.